Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as an uptrend. I still think there's a good chance it's a 1-2, and that we're currently in a wave 3 that is most likely going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. I actually think there's a good chance that gold is potentially going up to, maybe 24 or even $2,500 or higher. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I think this five-way pattern to the upside is a wave one. I think this is an ABC of two. I still think this is like a subdivision one of three, two of three, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that eventually it's going to finish this wave two of three and head back up for that wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I actually think this move down is actually not over yet. I think it's a WXY. One, two, three waves down for a W. One, two, three waves up for a wave X. I think this is one, two, three waves down for a wave Y of the WXY, which I do think is a WXY of wave two. I think it needs to go down to the 78 or the 88% to finish off this pattern before we really do get the push to the upside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, if you zoom out a little bit on the 4 hour, you can actually make this pattern out a little better. That it's three waves down, three waves up, and then three waves down. I really don't think this move down is over either. I think that we need to continue to look for sorts in a downtrend. I'm expecting at least a 78% minimum, and I think it actually could take out these previous lows over here, which would put us all the way down to the 88.5 before we really do get a bigger push to the upside. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement right here on this last push down. Now, I definitely am still primarily looking for sorts based on my higher time frame analysis, but I also would like to see a Fibonacci bounce, so I would expect it to at least go up to one of these higher Fib levels. Then if we get a big engulfing move to the downside, a big Fibonacci bounce, which really it could happen at any one of these four Fib levels, so really, if you are a scalper, you could be looking for longs until we get this big fib bounce. But once we do get like a three-way pattern to the upside, like an A, B, C shape, and then we get a big Fibonacci bounce, big engulfing move to the downside, I will definitely take that as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of this downtrend. I am for sure looking for sorts in a downtrend until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.